Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Monday.com for recruitment. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Monday.com. So let me just open a new tab and type out monday.com, and you'd be directed to this page. Now if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up for one, and after that you'd be able to see your dashboard. Okay, so we're just going to continue with the free plan. Okay, and then after that you'll be able to see here now our homepage. Okay, so the next thing that we should do is we are going to click on my work option, and you'd be able to see here all of our works. Okay, now to create a new workspace, all you have to do is to open your main workspace, and we are going to add a new one under the main workspace. So just click on add new workspace, then we are going to name this one as Shopify developer. Okay, so for example, we are looking for someone to manage our store, so just going to use a Shopify developer for this one. And then here we have the recent boards, the members, and then the permissions. So right here we're just going to add a template. Okay, and then we can use the search bar at the top, and then we just have to search for recruitment template, and we'll be able to see here different template, but I suggest just have to use the one that suits for your recruitment. So I think this one is good. So if you think you can use this template, just have to click on the use template at the top right of this section. Okay, now they're creating your templates. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then you can now start customizing the recruitment process template. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have different sections at the top. So we have item, recruiter, position, source, resume, and more. Okay, so we also have different categories. We have in progress, new applicants, and hard. So let's start with the new applicants. If you want to add a new one, just have to click on the add item, and then if you want to update this new applicant, so you just have to type out right here the details of this new applicant of yours. And then we can also change the name. We can indicate the name of the applicant right here at the top, and then click on update after that. Okay, so after that right here on this settings at the top, we can actually change this if you want to. So it depends of the recruitment process that we want to achieve. So for example, right here we have different built-in labels. If you want to customize this one, just have to simply click on it, and then just have to put or input the details, the labels that you want to have right here. Okay, so just click on edit labels, and then if you want to add more sections, so just go at the end of this one, and you'll be able to see here the option where you can add a new section. Okay, and then here let's go to the in progress category. So right here you'd be able to see all of the applicants that is being in progress, applicants in the hard section, and on the unqualified section. So if you want to make any changes of this template, so you just have to provide your information. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.